These are some nice girls. These are the kind of girls that I would introduce to mom.
Hope so.
Right? I'd let mom meet these girls.
Mom would love them.
Right out of the gate.
Mom would love them.
Mom, I'm gonna marry these. I haven't even sat in them. I never.
You haven't even seen them.
Woo! Yeah. Yeah, brother. That shit's nice. Huh? Look at that. Look at that thing. That thing just looks mean. She's ready. Oh my God, dude.
Like
Do I like it? Look at that. That's so pretty. A lot of people know my story. Alex is one of them. Lots of blood, lots of sweat, lots of tears. This is a big moment for me. It's breathtaking to get to this point. And now that I'm here, I ain't taking my foot off the gas. And here I come. Alex has been here since the beginning, the middle, the end, and now the rebirth. And there's no better. And we're sealing the deal right now. Chappell Tractor, Brentwood.
3 for 1.
3 for 1.
Oh yeah.
I appreciate everything you've done for me.
Absolutely. Thank you, Benny.
Rock and roll, baby. Let's get dirty.